Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to cut and paste picture in Photopea software. So get it started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see cut and paste in image. Now firstly open the picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option, then click. Now select from picture and click from open option. Now you can see then we show the picture and Photopea software. This picture is cut and paste. Now going to the edit menu option, then click. Now click from confirm option. Now select from keyboard press Ctrl and click from layer. Now going to the edit menu option, then click. Now click from cut option. Now click for OK and keyboard press and click mouse rotor and click keyboard press for Ctrl V. That it's. Now you can see cut and paste in picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.